Hello, welcome back student to the HTML class Hypertext Markup Language. Before going to the today's lesson, you must watch the previous video to understand this video. Okay, in the last class we have seen some of the important tags or basic tag we can say that we used and we created the HTML page, and we saw how to create the HTML page as well as we saw how to save the file and what is a file extension of your HTML file. Okay, so HTML file extension is .html. Okay, and you can save anywhere, and if you want to see the output you must open in the browser. So browser examples like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, and so on. So go to the previous video and check the video and do practice. Okay, and today we are going to next topic, that is formatting tags. With the help of this kind of tags, formatting tag, we can format the text. Okay, let's see some of the examples. Okay, fine. So this is a thing, front end HTML5 is a current version. Okay, so this is a thing we are doing here, and rest of the things we'll do in the coming, means in the like in second year, third year we are going to see that kind of things. Okay, so now we will go to here, we will do on practical session on formatting. Okay, so here some of the elements are there, or you can say some of the tags are here, and the tags we can use in HTML. So one by one, this is a bold, strong, I, EM, mark, small, strike, U. Okay, insert means INS, subscript, superscript. This all the tags are there, and this is I am going to show you practically. And some of the formatting tag you need to find from one website. I will give you that, and from there you can download, you can use that tags, and you need to create one document and you need to upload on the form. Okay, fine. So first of all, this is a things. So how to uh, how to do HTML first thing. Okay, so first thing you need to, you can go like this. When you press window R, when you press window R, then you will get a run command like this. Okay, and here you can type directly NOTEPAD, notepad. Okay, one way I shown you, when you click on start button, okay, and here you need to type notepad. Okay, like this, notepad you can open from here also. Okay, this is we discussed in the previous class. As well as you can get, when you press window key from the keyboard plus R at the same time, then you will display the run window like this. Here just you need to type notepad and click OK. When you click OK, then notepad will be display on the screen. So as you know, the basic structure of HTML is, okay, what is the basic structure of HTML? Here that should be not doc type HTML. Okay, what is our document type? Document type is HTML, and HTML program will start from HTML, and that should be closing tag HTML. Whenever you open the tag, closing tag, that should be important. What is the structure of HTML? Writing the HTML program, first you need to write the HTML tags. Inside that you need to write head, opening tag, and slash head, closing tag, and body. Okay, this should be closing tag. Okay, so here this is a structure. This is a structure. So just I will make the increase the font size, then it will be easy for you. Okay, so this is HTML. Okay, and HTML tag should be right in the small letter. Okay, and head, what I am going to write here now, I am going to write title, then title, title. Okay, and what is my title now? I am going formatting tags. Okay, I am going to formatting tag. Fine. So here my heading, it will be visible, it will be display on the top of the screen. Okay, so what is that? That is formatting. Okay, fine. And whatever you are going to write, that will be in body. So whatever you are going to write, as I shown you in the previous lecture, like we have done h1, okay, slash h1. Here I am writing bold. Okay, so here first thing I am applying the bold command. So here I am writing that thing in the heading tag. Next, B, opening tag and closing tag. What is the B means? Bold. Okay, before writing this bold, okay, I will write here HTML. Here I am taking paragraph. I am taking opening tag is a paragraph and closing tag is a paragraph. Okay, so here I am writing BRIDGE, bridge course on HTML. So whatever my heading, okay, that should be in bold. Okay, and you can write another like P, another sentence, bridge course, spelling mistake here, on, I am writing that strong, opening tag, closing tag. Okay, and I need to close this paragraph also, P. So what I am writing here? Here I am writing MS Excel. Okay, so this is my simple program. So now I want to save this file, save, and save in the document. Okay, and give the name here like formatting tag, tags, underscore tags. Okay, dot HTML. Don't forget to select the type. All type is all file. Select as type all file, and I am saving this in the document. Save. Okay, let's go back to document. In this document, can you see the file is created here? So here right click open with Google Chrome. Okay, so whatever I have done, like see, can you see here, this is h1 tag and bridge course on HTML, bridge course on MS Excel. So whatever you are writing, bold and strong, the both are same, both are same, similarity between both bold and strong. Okay, next. So here the first thing I finished, and where I am writing this code, this should be inside the body. Whatever you want to display on the screen here, that should be in the body tag. Okay, and this formatting tag is written here at the title of the page. Okay, next. What is our next now? The next one is I. Okay, next one is I am taking I. So before going to I, again I am writing H1. So I am writing here italic. What is I? I is nothing but italic. That will be a slide bend. Whatever you will write, that will be slide bend. So I am P, writing P, bridge course on I HTML, and here slash I. Okay, but here I open the tag, so you must close the tag. What is the closing tag? Slash P. Okay, so this is about the italic. Let me show you the output. Go here and do refresh. You will not get the answer. Why? Because here we did not save after writing this. Alhamdulillah. Sorry. After this, we need to save the file. So file, save. Okay, then come back here and do refresh. See, italic is here. Can you see? It is slightly different between this HTML and this HTML. Okay, and one more important thing here, you can apply to any text, more than one formatting tag. Like I am using here I. So in place of this, I can use B also. I and B both I can use together. So I will save the file and come here, refresh. See, now it's become bold. So this is a thing, you can apply the HTML to HTML this more than one formatting tags. Okay, so this is about the italic. Next one I am taking like heading 2. What is my heading 2 now? Next is EM. Okay, emphasize. Okay, so here whatever it is written here, okay, the meaning and purpose why it is using. So I am just showing you the practical. So here emphasize H2. So here I am taking the paragraph. Okay, opening tag and closing tag. When you open the tag, at that time only you must close, because sometime we will forget to close the tag and you will get some alignment issue and it will not display proper, then it will be difficult for you. Okay, so whenever you are writing opening tag, write the closing tag together. Next, here bridge course, BRIDG, bridge course on EM, emphasize HTML, slash em, okay, emphasize. So this is about the emphasize. So what is this emphasize? I save the file. The shortcut key is Control plus S. Okay. So here, go back to that file to refresh. Did you find any change? Yes, but that should be a scroll. Can you see here a scroll bar? If you did not find any kind of change, you need to check the scroll bar. Bridge codes on HTML. This is also a slide, but this is emphasize, means from this whole text it is telling to see here. This is something emphasize, means did some modification, you need to do more focus on here. Okay, so like this, we need to do the next one. Next one is mark. Okay, h2 mark slash h2. So here in the slash h2 mark, so I am writing p opening tag and closing tag together. In the middle of this I am writing bridge course on, and now I am writing mark opening tag and closing tag HTML. Okay, HTML. I save the file and I need to go back here and do refresh. Did I find any change? As I told you, scroll down. It will be like highlight. Okay, it will be like text highlight color. Okay, sorry. So here, this is about the mark. Okay, and in the same way we will go with the next strike. Strike will not work in HTML. In place of strike, okay, you can use S. You can use S or delete. Okay, so what is that? Is nothing but like h2 strike slash h2. I can give strike to this. Okay, how can I give the strike? I need to write S. I need to write S. Okay, so here save the file, Control S. Let's go back here and do refresh. Can you see strike? There will be a line in the middle. Okay, there will be a line in the middle, strike. If you want to cut something like this, you can cut. And in place of this, if you want to add, okay, like insert, ins, insert, strike through, strike through slash ins. Okay, so what does it mean? Means here in place of this it is getting the strike through. Okay, understand? I hope you understand this. What does it mean? Means after deleting this I am writing this. Okay, so this is about that meaning. So here we completed strike, insert. We will see the U. U is nothing but underline. Okay, U is nothing but like underline. H2 U opening tag and U closing tag and H2 closing tag. You can write any heading, just I am showing you to this for practice. So underline, what is underline? UNDER, underline. Okay, so here you need to save the file. Okay, control S and go back to this web page and refresh and scroll down, you will find underline. Okay, so you can use this kind of text formatting. Okay, on the same text I am applying different formatting. Okay, so the next one is subscript and superscript. This is important. Okay, subscript and superscript is nothing but, like in the exam, like I hope you remember the formula of I am writing in the comment. I am writing in the comment what I am writing. I am writing is like bracket a plus b whole square. We will going to write like this is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So can you read this? It is not like a plus b 2 a2 2ab b2. It should be not like this. This should be a plus b whole square here. So for that reason here we are writing, first we will take the paragraph. Okay, in this paragraph we are going to write the subscript. So here directly you can write a plus b, okay, whole square. Whole square means superscript sup opening tag and slash sup closing tag. In this you need to write 2. What do you want to display in this? A plus b whole square. Okay, let's go and check in the browser. Control S, here refresh. Can you see here? Here can you see a plus b whole square. So now we will go and write the full answer here. A plus b whole square is equals to, okay, is equals to a square. A square means super 2 slash super opening tag and closing tag for this 2. Control S, let's check it out here. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Square is nothing but superscript super. So what is the super? 2. Okay, control S. Now go and check the formula here. A plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is in the form of formula. Okay, so if you have like this, so you can use in this format. If you want to display this formula on the web page, so you don't need to take the photo, but while writing the code also you can get it. Okay, so this is about the superscript. This is about the superscript. So here write superscript. Okay, so superscript h2. Okay, this is slash opening tag and closing tag. Here refresh superscript a plus b square plus 2ab. So here you can add the same thing. Okay, like here now my comment is like H2SO4. This is chemistry. Okay, Like in the exam we are going to write like H2SO4, S to the base of 2, SO4 is base to the 4. So in the same way, P, small letter P, H2 means you need to write subscript, opening tag and closing tag. Subscript is 2, okay, and SO, SO4, SO, SUB 4 slash SUB, and I did not close the paragraph group, so I am closing the paragraph group. Okay, so this is about the superscript H2 SO4. Okay, H2 SO4. So if you give the space there, the space will come there. So Control S, refresh. H2 SO4. Okay, so this is some of the tags I want to explain you. Okay, some of the tags I want to explain you. Okay, there are so many tags are there, and I suggest you to go to this W3 school, okay, for the HTML page, and there you need to find the formatting tags. Okay, I covered many of them, but there are so many are there also. So go and find in this www.w3schools.com htmldefault.asp. So after this you will going to display the page, and there you need to do some tags related to the formatting, and you need to upload. Okay, so this is about the today's session. In the today's session we did the practical formatting. Okay, practical session on formatting. So we'll see you in the next class with the new topic. Okay, and this thing you need to do practice, as well as from this web page go and find the formatting tags and utilize in your web page. Create a web page and send to me through the Google form. Okay, and Google form link will be in your YouTube description list box, or in your project, in your class WhatsApp group. Okay, so thank you very much. We'll see you in the next class.